Welcome to Besakih, the mother temple of Hindu in Bali. Besakih is the most important, largest, and holiest temple of Hindu in Bali. During the holy ceremony such as the Panca Wali Krama that took place once in every 10 years, we will witness a sea of people into our mother temple. The last Panca Wali Krama ceremony was held on the year 2019, or in Bali Saka calendar of 1940. The purpose of the ceremony is to create peace, balance, and harmony in the three worlds as in Hindu philosophy. It was dated back to the year of 1284 when the first Javanese conquerors settled in Bali, and it was used as a Hindu place of worship. By the 15th century, Besakih had become a state temple of the powerful Gelgel dynasty. The entrance of the mother temple is marked by the split gateway which is called Candi Bentar. And beyond this gateway is the second courtyard with the gigantic carved wooden door which is called the Kori Agung. Pura Besakih is a complex made of 23 temples that sit on a parallel ridges. It has stepped terraces and flights of stairs which extend to a number of courtyards and brick gateways. The main sanctuary of the complex is the Pura Agung. The symbolic center of the main sanctuary is the lotus throne or Padmasana, which is therefore the ritual focus of the entire complex. The temple's complex is aligned along a single axis and designed to lead the spiritual person upwards and closer to the Mount Agung, which is considered sacred. Mount Agung is an active volcano. After 53 years dormant, Mount Agung awoke in August 2017 with intense seismicity. The most intense explosive eruption with accompanying rapid lava effusion occurred between 25th and 29th November 2017. Smaller infrequent explosions continued through June 2019. This eruption was considered mild compared to its eruption in 1963. The lava flows mist the temple complex by mere meters. The saving of the temple is regarded by the Balinese people as miraculous, and it is a signal from the gods that they wish to demonstrate their power but not destroy the monument the Balinese had erected.